But I'd like to leave you with pictures from the Milikmani court where Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino is being arraigned. Let's cross over and listen in and have a good morning.
Or intimated that it was going to grant that bill. And because bail is such a fundamental instrument in our constitutional order for purposes of anchoring one of the fundamental pillars of our criminal law and criminal justice system that has been upheld over ages, since the Magna Carta, since the 13th century, the presumption of innocence. You know, in our submission, in order to go against this very fundamental right and instrument of not only the Constitution but our Bill of Rights. And Your Honor, you know what the Constitution says about our Bill of Rights, as contained in Article 19 of the Constitution, that it is an integral part of Kenya's democratic state. That is a very fundamental statement. So that when you want to deny somebody bail or bond, which is a right by itself in the Bill of Rights, but also is an anchor towards the protection of the right in relation to the principle of presumption of innocence. It'd not be right for the prosecutor just to stand up and say, I am opposing bail, there's no material before you, and say there are compelling reasons, there's no material before you. He should wait until we address you on the question of bail. And if there were any compelling reasons, that in application which should have been made before the person in the dock had been charged. Your Honor, and I'd invite Your Honor to juxtapose what is in Article 49 in relation to the right of an arrested person, and more particularly if you look at Article 1, Article 49, sub-Article 1, F, and G, probably H, and then juxtapose that with what is contained in Article 50. Under G, 49, 1G, It contemplates about the first appearance of an accused person in court, and being charged, and Your Honor, that those two provisions, G and H, should be read holistically with the Bill of Rights as a whole and the purpose and intent of Article 49, which is to protect the right of